What's going on, guys? Noah Luke here with MarineMax out of St. Pete. We are here on another walkthrough video. This time we have a trade-in Everglades 235. This boat is a 2022 model with a Yamaha 300 on the back. So we'll start at the front, we'll work our way to the back, and we'll have a good time doing it. Come on, guys, right this way. So we do have a windlass anchor on this boat, obviously with plenty of storage for chain and rope. You can definitely tell that this 235 Everglades is more of a hybrid kind of do-it-all boat, right? So everywhere you look, there's seating. Seating on the front, seating on the midship. There's cup holders everywhere. There's stereo speakers everywhere. So this is more of a family fun boat that can A, go out and fish, and B, when you're done fishing, come back and hit the sandbar. So some really cool features. Moving toward the helm right here, one of the coolest features about this boat is it does have a powered front glass windshield. So if it's a hot day like it is today, we can put the windshield down all the way. When it's a cooler day, maybe you don't want that breeze, the windshield comes all the way up. We do have a windshield wiper as well. So controls, electronics, obviously we have Garmin right here, and then this is the Yamaha screen, so that's going to have all of your digital information as far as RPMs, fuel usage, top speed on your Yamaha 300. Fly-by-wire controls as well as ElectroStar trim tabs. We do have a very comfy captain and co-captain seat. I'm a pretty big guy, I guess, 6'2", 200 pounds. I fit in the seat pretty well. This seat also does flip around. It does a 180, so that's really cool for when you are doing some fishing. Maybe you're going offshore a little bit and you want to put some rods out. You do have the rocket launchers right here as well. You can do some trolling for some bigger game fish, maybe some gag groupers. If you did want to go out, maybe catch a wahoo or two, you can do that. Flip the seat around so you always have access to your rods 24/7. So we do have seating in the back here as well. These do pop out if you plan on having a lot of family friends on board. Live well in the back here for some fishing. Water intake. This boat does have fresh water with 2 freshwater shower heads, one in the back, one in the front. And another live well right there. So like I mentioned earlier, more of a do-it-all boat. This is a foam-filled boat. Everglades boats ride extremely well in the choppy conditions. Obviously, with the great conditions, you're going to see this thing riding on plane. It's going to be a breeze. A really cool boat. Come on down to MarineMax St. Pete. Come check it out. A fresh trade-in. 2022 Everglades 235 with roughly about 40 hours on it. My name's Noah Luke. We'll see you soon. MarineMax St. Pete.